Define offering details. Select On-Demand Content Offering. Fill in the following mandatory details: offering title, description, category, optional fields, learning outcomes. Assign a trainer if a team member will handle the training. Add the offering banner image, introduction video, and offering website if additional information is available. Add content. Navigate to the Content tab. Add a new section or chapter. Provide the title and description. Upload media files, links, embed codes, or interactive HTML as content for your clients. Click Save to finalize the section. Set event details. Go to the Event tab. For on-demand offerings, the schedule is ongoing. Define start date time zone. Click Save Event. Define fees. Navigate to the Fees tab to set the pricing for your offering. Free, one-time payment, subscription-based, monthly or yearly. Add multi-currency options if needed. Save the fee structure. Review and preview. Go to the Review tab to check the offering details and sections. Note, sections will initially be in draft status. Navigate to Preview to see how your offering's detail and content consumption pages will appear on mobile app, tablet, desktop. Publish any sections still in draft status. Preview the offering once again. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your offering live. That's all for creating an on-demand offering.